How to set reminders with Google Assistant. If you want to set up reminders without typing, here's how to do it step by step using Google Assistant on your Android phone. Step 1. Unlock your phone and tap on the Google Assistant icon. Step 2. Once the assistant pops up, tap the keyboard icon in the bottom right if you prefer typing or continue using voice. Step 3. Say or type your reminder like, "Remind me to drink water at 2 p.m." Step 4. Google Assistant will confirm the reminder. You'll see a preview with options to edit or confirm. Tap Save or say yes. Step 5. To view all reminders, open the Google app, tap your profile picture, then tap Reminders. From there, you can edit or delete any reminders you've set. And that's it. A simple, click-by-click way to create reminders with Google Assistant on any Android phone.